Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Introduction to the best table saw for woodworking. Woodworking is an art that demands precision, skill, and the right tools. Among these tools, the table saw stands out as an indispensable companion for any woodworker. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate hobbyist, having the best table saw can make all the difference in the quality and efficiency of your woodworking projects. In this guide, we will explore the world of table saws and help you navigate the diverse options available in the market. We'll delve into the essential features to consider when selecting a table saw, discuss various types of table saws, and provide insights into the top models currently favored by woodworkers. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and list them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Skill 15M 10-inch. The Skill 15M 10-inch portable job site table saw, model TS630700, is a versatile and powerful tool designed for woodworking and construction projects. It features a robust 15-amp motor for efficient cutting, rack and pinion fence rails for precise and smooth cuts, and an integrated folding stand for portability and easy storage. The table saw offers micro-adjustment for blade alignment, a 4x4 cutting capacity, and a quick-release lever for bevel cuts. It also includes a dust port elbow for a clean workspace, parallel blade alignment for accurate cuts, and a safety anti-restart switch. The package comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, though it has some drawbacks such as its weight and limited warranty. On number 4, SawStop 10-inch Professional. The SawStop 10-inch Professional cabinet saw is a smaller and more affordable version of the original industrial cabinet saw, designed for high-end amateurs and small shop professionals. It boasts improved dust collection, thanks to a unique branch line that connects the main dust hose to the blade guard. The saw's components are well made with excellent fit and finish, and it features a 3-horsepower motor that matches the performance of leading cabinet saws. The riving knife system works effectively, and minor alignment issues can be easily corrected with a turnbuckle-style adjusting nut. With its blade-breaking technology, the new SawStop offers woodworkers a serious cabinet saw at a competitive price. On number 3, Jet JWP13BT, 13-inch benchtop. The Jet JWP13BT 13-inch benchtop planer is a reliable and precise woodworking tool designed for both amateur and professional users. It features a helical-style cutter head with easy-to-change blades, providing clean and smooth cuts. The powerful 2-horsepower 15-amp motor operates at 10,000 RPM, ensuring efficiency. Dual and feed speed control allows for versatility in handling different wood materials. Made from high-quality materials like alloy steel and cast iron, this planer is durable and long-lasting. Its precision-machined cast iron bed and steel cover minimize snipe and maintain board flatness. With a 97 decibels sound level, it offers powerful performance while keeping noise levels low. On number 2, Prostormer Table Saw. The Prostormer Table Saw is a versatile and powerful tool suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers. It features a 15A motor capable of reaching approximately 5,000 PRM for tackling tough jobs. Precision is emphasized with a rip fence scale and an adjustable miter gauge scale, allowing for accurate cuts. Safety is a priority with a unique safety switch design that prevents accidental operation, especially in households with children. Durability is ensured with 4 sturdy metal brackets supporting the bottom of the saw, providing stability and reliability during use. Overall, the Prostormer Table Saw is a game-changer in woodworking, offering power, precision, and safety. On number 1, SawStop 10-inch Job Site. The SawStop 10-inch Job Site Saw Pro with Mobile is a top-tier saw with a 3-horsepower motor and a 52-inch T-glide fence system, known for its precision and durability. Customers appreciate its safety features, including the skin detection system that stops the blade in milliseconds upon contact. The saw also boasts an efficient dust collection system to maintain a clean work environment. While it is relatively heavy, most users find it easy to set up and operate. Key features: 3 horsepower motor with a maximum speed of 4,800 RPM. 52-inch T-glide fence system for precise cuts. Stable precision ground cast iron tabletop. Integrated mobile base for ease of movement. Advanced safety system for blade stoppage upon skin contact. In conclusion, selecting the best table saw for woodworking is a decision that should be made with careful consideration of your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a dedicated hobbyist, the right table saw can significantly impact the quality and efficiency of your projects. Key factors to consider when choosing the best table saw include the type of work you'll be doing, your available workspace, your budget, and your safety requirements. There are various options available, such as contractor's saws, cabinet saws, and portable saws, each with its own advantages and limitations. A powerful motor, precise fence system, cutting capacity, safety features, and build quality are all essential aspects to assess in your decision-making process. So guys, this was the video about the best table saw for woodworking. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.